crazy part about this is unsaturated niches that most people don't even know is there. And I want to share with you how to find it and how to start designing for it, all coming up next. All right, so this is my niche master tool. This is where we're going to find all of our best-selling products. And this is my tool I'm giving to you absolutely for free. No paid subscriptions. You don't have to whip out your credit card, your bank card. This is going to be the game changer of how you're able to find these micro niches that we're talking about in today's video. So you don't want to be the last one signing up to this. I already have over 700 people signed up for this. So if you haven't signed up yet, you need to go ahead and sign up now so you can start following along with me. It's absolutely for free, so you can't get it any cheaper, right? So go ahead and sign up so you can follow along with me in today's video, because this is going to change the game in regards to the micro niches that we're talking about today. So t-shirts are still selling well on that. So we can see this, tons of bestsellers and popular nows, but the focal point today is identifying what are those unsaturated niches that are selling extremely well on Etsy that can definitely carry my shop into sales in 2026. And yes, it's good to have evergreen niches in your shop, things geared towards Christmas and Valentine's Day and what have you. But what's going to carry your shop along the entire year that can help our shop maintain a steady amount of sales. And there's a really easy way for you to actually find these niches through my niche master tool. This is a free tool I built for you just to make it easy for you to find these top niches, to understand what is selling well, but then also to create these and start selling these for your print on demand business or your digital product based business. So with that being said, we're going to jump into the niche master here, and we're going to jump into the niche finder up at the top. You can see that you can select a manual search. And if you know the particular product you want to search up, you can do that here. If you don't know the micro niche audience that's really gaining sales, you can jump down below into our product category list, where you can click on a t-shirt or a sweatshirt or coffee mug. And we have these little niche cards that will share with you the micro niches that are doing extremely well. And when you click on this, it's only going to show you the best selling products on Etsy, which again, that's where the sales are being made. And we're talking about selling in the evergreen niches. Here are some niches that I found that is doing extremely well on Etsy. Number one, it is the reading club niche. We can see from this list, nothing but bestsellers. We grabbed this from the niche master tool, the reading club niche here, open this up. And now we see it's being searched up on Etsy, reading club t-shirt, and it's only focusing on the best selling products. And we can see in this space, there are a ton of products that are doing extremely well, right? If you think that the t-shirt space is oversaturated, we'll find these unsaturated niches to start selling your type of products. The reading club t-shirt niche is a great place to sell. Tons of best selling products here. And really with these niches, you really want to be creative, right? You want to look at the styles that have worked for Christmas and definitely apply those type of styles, those interests into these new niches that may not necessarily have them, but definitely can be a great space for you to bridge over that style that has done extremely well. Again, most people would not even think to create anything for the reading club niche, but definitely a lot of opportunities. One of the things that I found to be beneficial is to look at the design to see if there's any text on the design itself, and look at the first line of the listing, because that in itself can be a further micro niche, even further than what we're talking about, that can do extremely well. And for instance here, we know this phrase here, just one more chapter, is a popular phrase in the book reading club niche or the book lover niche, and we can do our own micro niche research into that niche to see if there's opportunities for, again, us to make sales. This says sold 218 times in the last 30 days, and same thing with this one here, about 45 sales. So obviously the book lover niche, anything with books, honestly, is going to do well throughout the year in 2026. So we can even do a further research on this. I want to go over to t-shirts and plug in that phrase, just one more chapter. And now I'm able to do this manual search to actually look for all the best sellers to see if there's opportunities here. So when I search this up, we can see that all these phrases here are talking about one more chapter or just one more book. So we know that this phrase is doing well, and we also know this micro niche is doing well. We can definitely start growing in this area. Here's another great niche to start selling in as well. This is all about the fishing life niche. Again, this is something that can be sold all year round as an evergreen product. People go fishing literally all throughout the year, and yes, even in the winter time. We can see nothing but bestsellers on this. We grabbed this from the niche master tool, and we were able to see that this is actually selling well. It's bringing up popular phrases. Again, if you see a popular phrase that's doing well, you can go further and search that up to see what things are coming up. but this is definitely a place I would encourage you to sell. This design has sold 47 times in the last 30 days. This one here, things I do in my spare time, has sold 43 times in the last 30 days. And I'll do a demo with you to share how to create similar type of products for your print on demand business. But we can definitely see there's a huge opportunity for us to start selling and creating in this space as well. Again, this one here is a very simple shirt, only been around for 6 months, but already sold 30 times in the last 30 days. And there are just a ton of products for you to really focus on and redesign and recreate and start selling in your Etsy shop. And really with the fishing niche, as you can see, the designs don't even have to be crazy, right? You can definitely make this into a totally different design style, but still bring in some unique elements that again may not be found in this micro niche. All right, so here's another micro niche that I think can do extremely well. Again, we're talking about the outdoors or camping niche. This can be an evergreen product. Definitely have some spikes during the month of March and during the months in the summertime, but this is still an evergreen niche. We can see that because it has a ton of bestsellers already on this. This is another place where you're going to find popular phrases that can go even further when we are creating these type of products. We can see this one is bringing in a nice style of the word hiking, definitely something we can recreate with AI. Again, we can see this one here, bringing in a popular phrase, out of breath to hiking society. That phrase in itself can be applied to other different design styles and trends. But again, having the design style and focusing on popular phrases can be a great combination when you are trying to sell these type of products. We can see some data on this. This is sold 30 times in the last 30 days. This one here sold 55 times in the last 30 days. And again, when you're able to get these sales all throughout the year and you have 300-400 products based upon all these type of design trends and micro niches, you can definitely see how easy it is to have a steady pace of sales throughout the entire year. And here is a great example of this when I talk about finding these micro niche t-shirts and looking at the design, but going further to see what phrase they have on their shirt. This one says adventure is out there. Again, we can go into the niche master tool, search this phrase up. Now we have this phrase for our manual search here. We'll search on Etsy for all the bestsellers, but this is definitely a great space. I would encourage you to focus on selling. Again, this has been around for 5 months, sold 40 times in the last 30 days. This is definitely one I would get into as well. Here's another one. Again, the cat mom t-shirt niche. This is one that's obviously popular, right? But the reason why we're here is because we want to find those micro niche phrases that are doing well. We can jump back into the niche master, see what we can find in regards to those phrases. But we can go here a little bit further and see nothing but bestsellers here. Cat mom club is a good phrase to target. Cats and coffee is a good space to target. So for instance, if I see this cat and coffee design doing well, again, all of these are bestsellers. I would encourage you to remix and redesign everything. Definitely bring some new design trends here. The cat mom niche is definitely doing well. Here, I can go in further and see cats and coffee. I can go into the niche master tool, search this up again, cat and coffee, look at bestsellers here. And we can definitely see there's some opportunities to create these type of designs. Again, cat and coffee here with 55 sales. This one here, 24 sales. This one here, 39 sales. Definitely some huge opportunities for us to create some high quality products of our own. But definitely get into the cat mom niche is a great place to target. And this is even where you can go a little bit further and add in some personalization with these products. As we can see here, again, we have this cat mom sweater that has done extremely well. 41 sales in the last 30 days. This one here is bringing in a very basic style of some cats and an outline, which can really be easily done with AI. This one here has made 35 sales in the last 30 days. And even this simple design with the outline of the cat here with the forest, again, that really can be applied to anything. We can have on the inside of the cat something regarding a city or a farm life or maybe a beach setting, snowy settings. That can change in so many different ways. But the fact here is that this has only been around for 4 months, made 41 sales. So there's something about this style within the cat mom niche, again, that's doing extremely well here. We can add in some funny phrases to make this design stand out even more. But definitely a huge opportunity, in my opinion, to start adding these things to your shop, to start building out these listings so that you can have those consistent sales all throughout the year. And there's a ton of products we can go over, but you can see how easy it is, niche master tool, to go in here and find these products, to know what's selling, and then start bridging these design styles into your own unique ways. You can start creating high quality products. Again, if we're going to focus on cat mom, definitely got to focus on dog mom. Again, same thing applies here. Look at popular phrases. Look at how we can incorporate new design styles into this. Again, this is going to carry a shop. Definitely start focusing on these products now as you're also listing those seasonal items. But again, we can see these evergreen niches are holding strong here. This product has been around for 8 months, made almost 200 sales in the last 30 days. Definitely one I would encourage you to make. And this is very simple, just simply text-based designs here. But we know we can go a step further and add more new design styles, trends into this to make this stand out even more. Here's another example of a nice design, this funny corgi shirt, which again, if we know this design layout has done well, we can definitely transfer that over into different type of dog breeds. We can utilize AI to help us understand what phrase can be associated with the right type of breed of dog. But again, this has only been around for 4 months, made 61 sales in the last 30 days. One of those evergreen niches that can do well throughout the entire year. And here's the beautiful part about this. When you find these type of designs that are selling well in the book lover niche, in the dog niche, in the cat niche, in the plant niche, if you will, you can actually trend merge all those things together to create something new. Here's a great example of that. This product has been around for 18 months, made 50 sales in the last 30 days, and it's simply bringing in different micro niches into one shirt. It did exactly what I think can do well. Look at different niches and see if you can combine those things into one unique design to really get a specific person you want to target. This one simply says plants, dogs, and coffee. That's it, right? But it brought in 3 different micro niches to bring in something of interest to that specific person. Here's another example of this when I talk about bridging in 2 different micro niches together to create something new. Here, this is bringing in the book lover niche like we talked about before, and then the dog mom or the dog lover niche. Again, this says easily distracted by dogs and books. Again, this has been around for a very long time, but again, this is nothing new in regards to layout, but definitely can be one you can add a new design style to because it's still making sales, 55 sales in the last 30 days. All right, so moving from this niche here, I really want to encourage you to have pets in your shop. Pets is an easy win, in my opinion, when you're selling on-demand products. Here's another place as well. A lot of the people miss out on this, but this is a great evergreen niche to target. And it's just the overall sport niche, not just one sport, but overall sport niche, because again, sports are played different times throughout the year. But if you just focus on having a section in your shop that's focused on sports, again, that's going to cover all the bases all throughout the year. When we're looking at baseball shirt, again, how I was able to find this, head over to the niche master tool, select whatever product category you're focusing on. I just simply put in baseball, for example, but same thing can be done for basketball. Put in basketball mom here, search this up, and you're able to see all the bestsellers. You can see all the bestsellers focusing on the basketball mom niche. So again, the example I'm sharing with you is coming from the baseball niche, but the same thing applies here to whatever sport you want to focus on, which again is a great micro niche to target because most people miss out on the many opportunities for sports. Just not the basketball and the baseball, but the softball, the soccer, the tennis, the racquetball, the band mom niche, the dance mom niche. There's a lot of different places for you to start making sales, and definitely again bridging over those styles that worked in previous areas, like we saw a lot of great styles during Christmas, and applying those styles over into these micro niches. That's where sales are going to be made. Here it is. I will focus on all this entire front row, create 2 different variations of all these products, obviously bringing in new things here, not copying. But again, if this is telling us that it's selling, this one here, 23 sales in the last 30 days, this one here, 18, 5 sales in the last 30 days, but we go here, this says so 81 sales in the last 30 days. I will look at this, ask myself, how can I recreate this, redesign this, and start implementing this properly into my shop? That's one I would definitely encourage you to do. We can go down a little bit further and see all the different opportunities, add in those unique bows. As we can see, these bows are obviously making tons of sales just by itself. But when we're able to apply this top trend, these nice little bows here into the sport niche like we're talking about in today's video, like the baseball niche, you can see how easy that is to apply this into different areas. Obviously can be applied into different sports as well. So the sport niche again is definitely, I think, an unsaturated niche that a lot of people miss out on, and that can really go into several different pockets of niches that can do extremely well, because that can go to even things like the pickleball niche that many people miss out on. Here's a great example of this as well. Again, the basketball niche, bringing in the same type of theme here as you see here. Again, we see it's a baseball mom, personalization on the sleeve. We see this basketball mom, personalization on the sleeve. The question is, where else can that theme and that style be applied? We can go into the cheer mom, we can go to the dance mom, the band mom, we can go into track and field, we can go into tennis, we can go into volleyball. There's different opportunities to really bridge out. And once you're able to see this, you're able to apply this into new areas and different spaces and definitely win, in my opinion. Now, another place to get into as we finish up our video is to look at what I call professions, right? There's easy places for you to add in unique design trends and find micro niches within the professions. Obviously, things like teacher and doctor and then nurse, but that can go further into these micro niches. So when we're looking up something like so broad, like a nurse life t-shirt, obviously we see things that are doing well. So for instance, if I have found within this nurse niche that the live, love, heal type of designs are selling. I'm definitely going to go back over to the niche master tool, definitely plug that in to the manual search here, look this up and see if there's any opportunities for us to create further in this space here. So even though, again, the nurse niche might be extremely broad, this is really an opportunity for you to go find these micro niches, head over to the niche master tool, go and do some further research into that manual search to see what are some opportunities for us to really sell well here. But again, because we're focused on a specific profession, this can do extremely well all throughout the year. Here's a great example of taking a popular design style like the duck and the goose type of trends. Right here we can see, again, this design trend is doing well, but when you apply this to a micro niche, it can do even better, because again, how many of these duck type of geese designs do you see within the nurse niche? Not a lot, right? So there's a lot of opportunity. That's the unsaturated design style that's not in this particular niche that I would create multiple products for, because that is definitely a top trending product. We see it with the data as well. Again, we see this has been around only for 4 months, but it has already made over 100 sales just in the last 30 days. We can see that is very huge and definitely can be something we can grow from and grow into. This can go further into micro niches with different phrases. Here is a great example of bridging over that goose and geese type of design styles over into specific micro niche here for the teacher designs. For instance, this one is all about the music teacher niche. It says it's a beautiful day to learn music, but it's also bridging in the other micro niche design trend, which is the goose or the geese, which is the goose type of style. So again, we're talking about extremely micro niches here from the teacher overall niche, right? We have the teacher niche, but we go down a little bit further and focus on a music teacher niche. And then we go a little bit further to bring in a popular phrase. It's a beautiful day, focus on floral type of designs for the element. You can see how easy it is to change out the element to be different things once we found what works well. Again, been around for 4 months, made 13 sales already. I think we can grow this a little bit further, but this will be one to get into whatever micro niche you want to target and then apply a popular element or style there that can do extremely well. But a lot of opportunities here, in my opinion. And the faith-based niche is always an evergreen niche, in my opinion. Same thing as we said before, we can go in here and find these micro niches. You can find things based upon Bible verses that has done extremely well here. We can find unique design styles in regards to floral, boho, 4-layer panel styles that have done well in this type of design here. We see this 4-layer design done extremely well during Christmas, right? Made 98 sales in the last 30 days. Again, if certain design styles have worked, think about how we can apply that into, again, our evergreen niche here. Again, this has only been around for 4 months, right? Once you're able to see these best-selling products, you're able to see what is selling well, you're able to see what is missing in these micro niches and how you can apply those things specifically in those areas. The proof is here in the sales. So this has only been around for 4 months, but made 116 sales. This is going to sell all year round, and I would definitely encourage you to create something in regards to this space here. So again, jump into the niche master tool. This is absolutely for free. You can start finding these best-selling products for free yourself, right? Limited amount of time, but I want you to jump into this, start finding these best-selling products so you can start selling these items on Etsy yourself. Now, if you want to go a step further and see how to actually create these type of products, I have this video here where I share with you how I created over 100 products within a few short moments after finding these top trending designs, that I was able to, again, remix them and redesign them and start selling these on my Etsy shop. If you want to learn that next step, click this next video here, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.